In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix page size issue on Microsoft Word. So if you have a small page size and you like to switch to normal, for instance, I have this size A5 page size, and this is not the normal page size for Microsoft Word. You can go ahead and revert to the normal size. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, so to switch from this page A5 to the normal page, which is A4, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and open your Word document and then head to Layout. Under Layout, head over to Size, and under this, you should see we have quite a number of sizes here, and currently we are on size F4. To switch to the normal size, just go ahead and switch to F4, and you can see now this is the normal Word document page size that you can use. Should you want a much wider page size, you can still go ahead and click on size and then choose A3, and you'll get even a much wider page size. However, the normal size for Word document is size F4. So that's how you can fix issues related to the size, or the size is too small on Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.